John over here at 4 State Trucks again. Tell you a little bit about a brand new mattress we just got in last week. It's called the Odyssey, made by Croft. It's actually made here in Joplin, so it's locally made, sourced through us. They come in 2 different sizes, 39 by 80 and 42 by 80, which should cover most of your trucks as far as your Peterbilts, Volvos, Freightliners, etc. As of right now, that is the only 2 sizes that they actually came out with. What makes them very unique is every individual little spring in here is pocketed to provide you a lot of firm support. And they're actually 12 inches thick, which to my knowledge is one of the thickest mattresses out there in a truck. And we do have one over here in the store on display. You're more than welcome to come on down, give it a try, and see what you think. Literally, I could probably go to sleep right now.
Hi, Pena here at 4 State Trucks in Joplin, Missouri. Here to talk to you today about these 5-inch window chops that we carry for Peterbilts, for 380 models, 370 models. We carry them for cab and door mounted mirrors. If you don't want 5-inch, we also have 6 and 7-inch. We carry them in roadworks and trucks, and we'll even install them here at 4 State Trucks for you. Come down here, we'll be happy to answer any questions you have.
Hey everyone, Todd here. Just going to take a minute to show you our truck's toolbox and battery box replacement covers. These are a stainless smooth option over your OE diamond plate with steps. These have a 1-year warranty. These replace 379 and 389 toolbox and battery boxes. These go over your OE battery boxes, and they come with new latches. All you do is a couple bolts in the side of the box and a couple bolts in the side of your factory hanger there, and this thing goes right on. Perfect, easy, simple, something you can do at home. Or if you guys don't have time, go ahead and get with our service writer here at 4 State Trucks and have our boys here at the shop install these things for you. And we do have different styles of step grips that you can put on these if you are worried about how slick the tops are getting in and out of your truck. Come on down to 4 State Trucks and check them out.
Hey guys, welcome back to 4 State Trucks. Cotton here, and today I want to talk about lug nut cover kits. We got the Trucks brand here in stock, available for you at $181.99. It's a 67 piece. What it comes with is 2 steers, 4 drives, 60 lug nuts, and the tool. So easy your mom could install it. So come on down, get fixed up. We got plenty of these in stock, and come and see us. But your mama can do it, or maybe even your mama. Not so much yours, but yeah, let's keep going. Your mama can do it. You can do it. You definitely can do it.